Well, hello everybody out there and welcome to another random video. And in today's video, I want to show you how to clean a mini disc. Yeah, this is something that people keep asking, and like I said, it is really important to clean a mini disc, even though you think, oh, the mini disc is protected inside this cartridge. When the shutter is open, or also back here, there is always the possibility of dust getting inside the disc, and it is important to keep the disc clean. It's important to keep it clean on the bottom, because otherwise you're gonna have read errors when you play the disc. But it's even more important to keep the disc clean, or to keep the top of the mini disc clean, because this is where the record head touches the disc when you record a mini disc. And if there is dust or dirt, then the disc could get scratched and your record head might get permanently damaged. So how do we go about cleaning a mini disc? First, you need a tool, maybe something like this. It just needs to be something sturdy and something thin. You could also use a folded piece of paper or a credit card or whatever. The important thing is that you need to get inside this little gap right here. The camera would focus. Yeah, there. You need to get inside this little gap right here in order to push this little plastic thing in order to unlock the shutter. So, like this. And as you can tell, there is already a little bit of dust on this disc. Now, the next thing that you will need is something like this, a magnet. You can use those black magnets. You can also use those, I think they're called neodyme magnets or whatever, you know, those silver ones. It doesn't really matter, but we put the magnet at the center of the disc, and we use the magnet to spin or rotate the disc so that we can reach every part of the disc. And then I use something like this. This is an anti-static fiber brush, you know, the kinds that you also use to dust your records. And then all you have to do is just wipe the dust off just like that. And then you use the magnet to turn the mini disc a little bit further and remove the dust right there, and so on and so on. It's hard to show you the dust, but yeah, you get the idea. If you have something more resistant, you know, like something that you can't remove with the brush, I recommend that you use maybe something like a toothpick or something like this. Definitely not something that is made of metal. You know, something like a toothpick that is not hard on the mini disc. And yeah, this way you can clean your mini discs. Now, I know that there is other kinds of dirt that might get inside a mini disc. If you buy secondhand discs off eBay or something like this, you would be surprised what kind of dirt you can find inside a mini disc. But I'm not really 100% sure how to remove this dirt, because even though you might think, okay, just use a cotton stick and some rubbing alcohol, I don't know if I should really recommend this, because I have seen cotton sticks that leave scratches on the mini disc, and I also heard that there is supposed to be some kind of a thin layer on top of the mini disc to make the record head slide a little bit faster. I don't know if that's actually true, but yeah, this is how you remove dust from your mini disc. And if you have any other advices or tips on how to clean a mini disc, please let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next random video. Bye!